2023 took place in Delhi today, where deliberations were held on modernization, digitization and expansion of Doordarshan. Here's more.
Prasar Bharati Chief Executive Officer Shashi Shekhar Vempati chaired a meeting in Delhi to discuss ways to modernize Doordarshan and improve the quality of its telecast. CEO said in the meeting that Doordarshan is most reliable channel of the country, which shows correct news to the people. He said that now the time has come to make Doordarshan more modern in the field of technology.
I think now we should think ahead. We should think ahead in terms of where should DD be, where will technology be 5 years from now. So what do I need to do today so that 5 years from now I'm state of the art and I'm at the leading edge of technology and so on. Handful of people are taking advantage. They're holding us hostage because of the manner in which we've historically done work. But if we change that, we open it up, I'm sure more and more startups, more smaller, and there's a huge thrust for Make in India and Startup India. So how do we ensure this vendor ecosystem develops in India? I think we have to actively do that.
I understand you have gathered here to make plan also for what should be the shape till 2020-22. Don't leave Delhi without having a concrete plan and also milestones to be achieved in between. And please try to stick to that.
Addressing the meeting, Director General of Doordarshan Supriya Sahu emphasized on strengthening the regional news units and said that they are the backbone of Doordarshan. Speaking on the occasion, Director General of Doordarshan News Mayank Agarwal said that Doordarshan News is known for most accurate news and comprehensive coverage. He said that now the time has come to make it more modern through world-class technology.
Modernization of studios, making our channels HD, DD National, DD News, and now DD Kisan will also be HD in some time. This is something we have been able to see in a very quick period of time. We need to follow a collaborative approach. See to it that everybody has a point of view in making of this 3-year plan.
This is the best technical team, the area of broadcasting anywhere I feel in the world. We are thinking transformation of Doordarshan in terms of technology. We have to think beyond this television box. We have to move the content on the cloud platform. This is very, very important. For news also this is very important. We have made some plan for the 20 to 23.
Doordarshan is acknowledged as the biggest platform of information, news and entertainment programs even today and has earned the trust of crores of people. This makes it even more important to strengthen it technologically as well. Abhishek Singh's report, DD News, Delhi.